What's up, ScaleRiders subscribers? Back with another video. 65 Lokes here. Just wanted to thank and show what Slowly Models all the way in Australia recently sent me. He 3D printed these wheels, the plaques, and some other parts that I will be chrome plating soon. Thanks, man. Yeah, he hit me with a surprise. He was like, hey man, you want anything printed? I was like, I don't know. He's like, dude, don't trip, I got you. So I sent him the JPEG for the plaque. He did me the plaques, and then he hits me with these. The surprise. Thanks, dude. Great work. Can't wait to get these plaques chrome plated and start adding them on the model cars. I'm gonna count how many I have, because there's more that I have than these. I would love to do a giveaway to some of you guys as subscribers. That way you guys can rock one as well on your model cars. Stay tuned. Thank you, Slowly Models all the way in Australia.